Jairam here. In this complete Python series, in this video we are going to learn what are the strings in Python, different types of enclosing that string, like with a single quotes, double quotes, backslashes, how works. Um, Even we can like a raw string we can print. Then we'll see the length, how can find the length of the string. We can slice a particular substring from a string. Also we can see that if you have to try to change the particular character in a string, that is not possible because strings are not mutable, they are immutable. We'll also see how the storage, the strings are stored in character wise in a how in a part. We'll draw a diagram and we'll see how that will work. Stored in the form of each index, and also how we can format the strings, like make it uppercase, lowercase, and split that and remove the trailing spaces. So let's start with the first thing. We are going to look into Python string. Here you see I have one variable message and I have stored in a single quotes enclosed. We can do that like that. Another is that we can store save the variable and store the value in the form of double quotes if that is a string. Single quotes can be written inside a double quote. Double quotes can be written inside a single quote. Suppose that I want to print inverted comma within a string, I can backslash that so that my interpreter not interpret that. Then raw string, if you want to print a raw string without any parsing or any doing, we'll use the R. So let's see practically how it works. So I am going to my VS Code. In the VS Code, I have created one file strings.py, so that all the strings related practice will do here. The first thing that I have written here, message equal to hello world, right? It's like I've written double quotes, but let's start with the single quotes only. So here is the single quotes. We can print this one. So it's really small, like a message. So it will print like either we can run from here as well. So it's printing hello world, or we can type here Python and file name strings.py hello world, same thing printing, right? Suppose that I have changed this from single quotes to double quotes. Same thing will happen, same thing will print here, nothing going to change, but I'm running from here. You can see same hello world is printed here. Now suppose that in double quotes I am storing a variable value of a string. Particular section of that string is single quote inverted within a double quotes. So let's see what it's printing. So if I'm running here, you see hello is enclosed. For better view, I'm just clearing the screen and let move further up and then see what's happening. I have written Python and then file name is strings.py. You see hello is enclosed within a single quotes. Similarly, we can enclose in a single quotes, and double quotes is within that, and then complete enclosed in a single quotes. So what will happen here? It will be print hello in the double quotes enclosed. You see here hello is print and double quotes enclosed, right? And the next thing was that we have done these escape quotes. How escape with quotes works. So suppose that I'm writing here it's my world, right? You see it's displaying some error, but I put the backslash, it's ignoring. And let's try to see what's happening here. It's one inverted comma is displaying here, it's my world, right? So whether we have to escape the quotes, single quotes, you will use the backslash, right? Then there is a raw string. Suppose that you want to print a particular string without looking into what is written in that. Interpreter will completely ignore that what is written in that. Suppose that I am writing here uh, C colon, then backslash Python slash and ABC, anything I have written. So if I'm trying to print that, see what will happen. It's giving error. So what is the way to print? What will you use? R. Here is R is raw. See, if I put R here, what will be happen? So you see, if I put it R here, whatever the string after that R in single quotes enclosed, it's printing as it is. So it's a raw, whatever they've enclosed within the string, whether it's a backslash, forward slash, it will print there, right? So I think it's not much visible. I'm again running this one. You see, here it's printed this one, whatever written here. But if I not use the R, it will throw an error, right? It's throwing an error, syntax error, right? Invalid escape sequence P. It's treating like P, A, it's in, but I'm treating as a R, raw. So it's printing. Now, next topic is creating multi-line string. So how you can create multi-line string? So like you have long string and you want to store in that in one variable. So how you can do that? Either enclose that in triple single quotes or triple double quotes. So here you see help message I've written in 2 lines. Same says hi, right? So how you can do that? Suppose that I have a string here. This is my world, right? I've written this is my world. But suppose that multi-line did, it's a error. So how it will not error? Either you put triple here and then triple here. Now if you print, this is my world. In 2 lines it's printing. Let me make clear this one. It's printing in 2 lines. So it's clear, and in place of 2 lines I can use single line, single quotes as well. So something I'm typing hello world, whatever I'm trying to, hello, just some text string I'm typing here. So you can type anything, and if you try to print or run, you see it's printing in 4 lines. 4 lines are here. It can be double quotes or 3 times single quotes or 3 times double quotes start with and end with. This is the multi-line string we can handle. Now, using variable in Python string with the f string. Suppose that we have a string and in that you want to print some variable. Like here I have put it one name J and I want to print like hi J and name. So I have used this as a variable. So how this works? Let us see. So suppose that I have put a name here J, right? Then that app string is message is, what is the message? I want to print the message f, then hi, then that in the curly braces I'll put that variable name, right? And then print message. Let's see what's happening. I'm taking help of the auto suggest. So hi J, it's printing. So this way you can pass the variables in a string and you can print and use that.